Hey guys, super excited today. I'm bringing to you, I've finally saved up and gotten my hands on a 5600M MacBook Pro. It's, as you guys can see, it's Apple refurbished. So I got this from Apple's website. Now let's look into the specs. Now, straight off, you'll see that it's absolutely spec'd out. It's got a 2.3 gigahertz i9. Yes, it's not the 2.4. However, I'm not for the tests that I'll be running on this. It'll be mostly bottlenecked because of the GPU. So let's look at the GPU. It's got a 5600M with 8 gigs of HBM2 memory, and also 1 terabyte of SSD. Other than that, the most important thing I wanted to test out against my base 16-inch MacBook Pro was the RAMs. This has 32 gigs of RAMs as well on top of everything. All right, without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. So you get the same exact unboxing experience with the refurbished model as well. They've done a really good job. There you have it. All right, let's open it up. So inside, exactly the same. Just outside there's no MacBook Pro logo. Okay, I've got the silver one here. It's a really nice color, I find. Okay, you get the same USB-C charger, got the book, got the charging brick. Okay, let's look through that. It's basically standard stuff. Okay, second part of the video. So let's get the wrapper open. Let's do the honest, straightforward way. So bang, and then bang, and then slip it right out. Okay, so that's the laptop. I'm really excited, guys, to really start playing with this laptop, So I've got the 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports and a headphone jack. So 2 on this side. They're controlled by 1 bus each. So 1 bus on the left side and 1 bus for the right side. So those are 2. Then looking at the back, you've got the air intakes, and that's where it'll be pushing it out after cooling the system. Okay, all right, inside, there you go, guys. That's basically it. It's all good to go. How good is that? Look at that keyboard, beautiful. I'm excited, guys. All right, hang tight for the reviews, and also I'll be looking at everything from an M1 point of view as well, considering the M1, and also I'll be doing a lot of gaming tests on this as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.
All right, guys, so if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.